Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide and you do not have time to do it manually, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. And here we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just go back to the history, which is right now empty, and it simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually that's all. This is how to remove browsing history in your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.